the amazing benefits of sleep on your overall health. Hey there, sleepyheads and health enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how something as simple as sleep can have such a profound impact on our well-being? Well, get ready to be amazed, because in today's video, we're delving into the fascinating world of slumber and uncovering the astonishing benefits of sleep on your overall health. So, grab your favorite blanket, snuggle up, and let's explore how the magic of sleep can transform your life. 1. Improved immune system. The marvelous power of sleep in boosting our immune system. While we slumber, our body releases vital immune-boosting cytokines, combating infections and inflammation. Lack of sleep decreases these warriors, leaving us vulnerable to viruses and bacteria. But fear not. Consistently getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep bolsters our immune function, making us less likely to catch illnesses and recover faster if we do fall ill. A well-rested body is better equipped to handle whatever the world throws at it, benefiting not only ourselves but those around us. Embrace sleep as a natural shield for a healthier, happier life. 2. Muscle repair and growth. Now, let's dive into how sleep works wonders for those muscles. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts, sleep is a secret weapon that elevates performance and results. During physical activity, muscles experience micro-tears, and it's during sleep that they repair and grow. Sleep triggers the release of human growth hormone, HGH, stimulating muscle regeneration and leading to increased strength. Additionally, well-rested athletes experience enhanced coordination, reaction times, and overall athletic abilities. Whether you're a professional athlete or passionate about fitness, prioritize those 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to optimize your training and recovery. 3. Enhanced cognitive function. As we sleep, our brains tirelessly process and consolidate information, leading to improved memory retention and enhanced learning abilities. Quality sleep serves as a refreshing reset button for our minds, boosting focus, cognitive abilities, and creative thinking, while sleep deprivation can impair concentration and decision-making. Think of sleep as a crucial investment in your mental sharpness and agility. 4. Emotional well-being. A good night's sleep works wonders for our mental and emotional state by allowing our brains to engage in vital emotional processing, regulating and managing our feelings. Sufficient sleep reduces stress, anxiety, and depression, enabling us to approach challenges with greater resilience and a positive outlook. Adequate rest helps balance the hormones that govern our moods, preventing emotional instability caused by increased stress hormones. The interplay between sleep and emotional well-being creates a positive feedback loop, where better sleep promotes positive emotions and vice versa. So, if you're seeking to enhance your emotional resilience and overall well-being, prioritize consistent, restful sleep. 5. Lower risk of heart disease. Research reveals a crucial connection between sleep duration and heart health. Consistent, restful sleep plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure and reducing inflammation, both significant factors in heart health. Inadequate sleep can lead to higher blood pressure levels and disrupt the body's natural rhythm, increasing the risk of heart disease, hypertension, stroke, and heart attacks. However, by prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, we contribute to better cardiovascular health and lower the risk of heart-related issues. 6. Blood pressure regulation. Proper sleep is a natural ally in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. During restful sleep, our bodies relax, leading to the dilation of blood vessels and a slower heart rate, promoting healthy blood flow and lower blood pressure. On the contrary, inadequate sleep can disrupt this balance, leading to increased stress hormone production, constricted blood vessels, and elevated blood pressure. Consistent, sufficient sleep allows our bodies to regulate blood pressure-controlling hormones effectively, reducing the risk of hypertension and cardiovascular issues. Prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night supports a healthier heart and overall cardiovascular system. 7. Impact on metabolism. Sleep plays a crucial role in our metabolism and appetite regulation. Sufficient sleep allows our metabolism to function optimally, efficiently converting food into energy. In contrast, inadequate sleep disrupts hormonal balance, increasing hunger, ghrelin, and reducing feelings of fullness, leptin, leading to overeating and weight gain. Sleep deprivation also affects insulin sensitivity, raising blood sugar levels and increasing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Additionally, poor sleep choices can lead to craving unhealthy, high-calorie foods, further hindering weight management efforts. Prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night supports a healthier metabolism, balanced appetite, and positive food choices. So, embrace sleep as a vital ally in your weight management journey. 8. Link to obesity. Extensive studies have established a significant association between insufficient sleep and weight gain. Research has shown that sleep-deprived individuals consume more calories, especially from high-fat and high-carbohydrate foods, contributing to weight gain and obesity. This connection isn't limited to adults. Even children and adolescents who consistently sleep less than recommended are at a higher risk of obesity. Lack of sleep disrupts the body's hormone balance, leading to impaired appetite regulation, insulin resistance, increased fat storage, and elevated cortisol levels, all of which promote weight gain. Prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night becomes a crucial tool in maintaining a healthy weight and preventing obesity. Embrace sleep as an essential component of your weight management journey. 9. Skin health. Beauty sleep is no myth, it's a scientifically proven reality. During restful sleep, our skin undergoes repair and rejuvenation, with increased blood flow delivering essential nutrients and oxygen for skin cell regeneration. Sleep also triggers the release of growth hormones, like HGH, vital for collagen production, maintaining skin elasticity, and reducing wrinkles. In contrast, chronic sleep deprivation can lead to reduced collagen production, premature aging, and a lackluster complexion. Inadequate sleep can also disrupt inflammatory responses, causing skin issues like acne and worsening conditions like eczema. Prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night becomes essential for preserving skin health and achieving a radiant complexion. Embrace sleep as a natural beauty booster, giving your skin the gift of repair and renewal. 10. Reducing aging signs. Quality sleep is the secret to graceful aging, as it supports collagen production, maintaining skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles. During deep sleep, growth hormones like HGH are released, aiding in skin cell rejuvenation and repair. Sleep also neutralizes harmful free radicals, detoxifying and protecting skin from premature aging. Consistently getting enough restful sleep allows the body to repair and protect the skin, slowing down visible signs of aging. In contrast, inadequate sleep disrupts rejuvenation processes, leading to collagen breakdown and aging signs becoming more pronounced. Embrace sleep as a powerful anti-aging tool, investing in long-term skin health and maintaining a youthful appearance. The key to unlocking the fountain of youth lies in a good night's sleep, so prioritize quality sleep and your skin will thank you with a timeless glow. In conclusion, we've embarked on an enlightening journey through the amazing benefits of sleep on your overall health. We've uncovered the profound impact of sleep on various aspects of well-being, from heart health and weight management to mental clarity, emotional balance, and radiant skin. By prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, you can unlock the incredible potential of sleep to transform your life. As we wrap up this eye-opening series, I encourage you to take the key benefits of sleep to heart and make the necessary lifestyle changes to improve your sleep quality. Embrace sleep as a powerful ally in your journey towards a healthier, happier, and more vibrant life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to prioritize your sleep, and in turn, your overall well-being. If you found this video valuable, Please like, share, and comment to help spread the importance of sleep. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on health and well-being. You can also check out related videos and playlists to keep yourself engaged with our content. Once again, thank you for your time and support. We're grateful for each one of you, and we look forward to continuing this journey of exploration together. Take care, sleep well, and may you enjoy a healthier and more fulfilling life. Goodbye for now.